What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Nord Trades, and today I bring you another special video, the Sunday stock watch list, where I talk about all the stocks that I like, all the stocks that I dislike, and everything in between. Now, before we go ahead and get started with this video, make sure you hit that like button. I'll wait for you to do that. Subscribe, comment down below what other stocks are you guys watching for this week, or what other videos do you want to see on this channel. We try to bring as much educational free content as we can. Now, I've also uploaded on my main channel, and if you didn't know, I live stream every single morning on YouTube, Twitch, and other platforms. So if you would like to join those, like I said, Sunday stock watch lists are whatever I'm watching on Sunday. Things change throughout the week. Whatever I'm watching on Sunday may not be the same on Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. So make sure you hit up the streams, and I'll see you guys there. Now, let's go ahead and get started with this video here. Now, if we go, I'm going to give you guys the top 3 plays of this week. Instead of giving you like a big watch list, I'm going to give you the top 3 main stocks that I'm watching, and then we'll go from there. Throughout the week, I'll update you guys as long as you're on the streams. That'll keep you guys more engaged. Now, what am I watching here on Tesla? I am watching this. Give me one second. Let me lower this. All right. So Tesla here, you guys can see we're kind of just consolidating, and we're stuck in between the range of like 232 down to like 226, which is about what, $6 that we're just up and down from. And now we're on an uptrend. Do I see this playing in this area for a very long time? No, I'm actually expecting for this to either break tomorrow or Tuesday max. But what I'm watching isn't just playing like the high here. Like, I'm not going to look to play Tesla at 232 and watch the break from there. No. What I'm going to do is allow this to break consolidation, whether it's the upside or downside, and let it, let's see where it stays. Like, does it hold up here? Really, where I would love to play this is at this 235 level. You guys can see my alert, 234.47, because there I'll be able to tell it broke the high of the day, the consolidation. It's holding above the level that it previously couldn't get above, and it kept rejecting at, and I'll be able to tell with the high spike in volume. So there's so many things in my favor if it does break above that 232, and then I'll watch it before 235 so I don't get faked out. So that's what I'm watching. As far as downside, am I interested? Yeah, it's a consolidation. I'm not sure yet. I have to see if there's any any reason for me to play it. Does it show, complete weakness against the market? There's a lot of things that will go into that factor if I decide to play the downside on Tesla. So if it shows me divergence, maybe, right? And you'll see on the streams throughout the week, if it does end up, dropping to the downside, we'll see together, and you'll see if I play it or not. So that's the first play that I'm watching for this week. The next play that I'm watching is Meta. What am I watching on Meta? Well, let's take a look. So Meta is in a weird place as well, but we're actually finally holding up above that 522 level. As you can see, we usually break above, come back below. And this is the first time closing above, I would say, well, these last 2 days are the first day closing above since when? August 23rd. So it's been, a nice 3 weeks since we have closed above this, and we're currently here. So am I looking to play this at 527? Probably not. What I'm going to probably do is wait for that 530 level. If I put it on the bigger time frame, you'll understand. I'm probably going to use 530 as my entry. If I can find earlier entry, then yeah. But 530 is that key level. It's 530, 50 really, but we'll be able to tell at 530. So 530 is my key level on Meta. That's what I'll be watching for the upside. Do we reject there? Do we, hold above? Are we breaking through? And then all-time high is not that far away. Like, I just noticed that. We're only $20 away from all-time high for Meta, and this can do this at any time. Like in the past 3 days, the stock is up from 500 to 523. So can it do that in 1 day? Yeah, it can. So that's something I'm watching Meta, and there's a reason why I'm watching Meta. But before that, I'm not looking for real early entries unless I see real divergence, prior to that. The fake outs on Meta are just not fun, and I've been watching it for the past week. I haven't been touching it really, but just watching it, it's not it. Netflix, rare one. We got a rare find on the watch list here, guys, today. If you go on the 4 hour, you see we have a trend here. We're currently right at it. And it's a very, very nice downtrend because there's multiple points. We have 1 point here, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th point. So this is really, really nice. It's showing you multiple confirmations that this trend is, in fact, a real trend here. So now on the 4-hour, we see the 700. You can see not all-time high. The 4-hour high is 711. Is it all-time high? Oh, wow. Maybe it is. I don't really watch Netflix like that. But yeah, so you can see on the 1 hour, 1 year, you can see that we're about to break this flat top. If we can finally close above this 700 level, we haven't seemed to close above 700 on the 1 year, 1 day. So that's interesting to find out. So what I'm going to be paying attention to is take a look at this volume here. So look at the volume here. It's usually around 1 million at the end of the day, the last 4-hour candle. And you can see the last 2 days right at this trend, it's been falling short of that 1 million. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pay attention to the 700. A lot of people are going to look to play the 700 break. I'm probably going to pass on it just from prior experience. And I'm going to watch this volume. So I'm going to pay attention. How important is this volume to me? It's very important because I need this volume to spike over 1 million. So we're going to break over 700. We're going to hold over 700 because we just looked at it on the 1 year, 1 day. We have not closed above the 700 level. So I'm going to look at those two things, and then I'm going to use volume to confirm that, okay, those things have passed the test. Did we spike over 1 million on the 4-hour, and how much did we just get 1 million, like a regular 4-hour volume that we've been getting the past, 2 weeks? And all those things will come into effect for me to play Netflix. I'd rather wait for a close above 700 and then play it the following day. That's how I'm looking to play Netflix. So that's my watch list. I kept it very short and simple for you guys. Throughout the week, I'll continue to update. Make sure you come to the stream. Make sure you come to the free Discord on Wednesday. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.